Hello friends, I, Dr. Leena Kansal, Assistant Professor in Biyani Group of Colleges, welcome you on behalf of Guru KPO. I am delivering my lecture on plasmid. Plasmid is most widely used as a vector system for gene cloning. Why it is used? Because it can replicate in host cell so that the numerous copies of recombinant DNA molecule can be obtained. Second one is plasmid is small in size, less than 10 kb. So if we use large molecule, then it tends to break down during the purification. Basic feature of plasmid. Plasmid is basically a circular DNA molecule that have an independent existence in bacterial cell. Plasmid carry antibiotic resistant gene that makes its ability to survive in toxic concentration. In laboratory, antibiotic resistance gene is used as a selectable marker to ensure that bacteria in a culture having a particular type of plasmid. Most of the plasmid have at least one DNA sequence that can act as a origin of replication, so that they are able to replicate in bacterial cell independent to bacterial chromosome. Some of plasmid able to replicate by integrating themselves in bacterial chromosome. These type of plasmid are called as integrative plasmid or episomes. Second one is size and copy number. Size of plasmid varies from 10 kb to 250 kb. 10 kb size is desirable for gene cloning as a vector. So few of plasmid are only useful for gene cloning purpose. Copy number. Copy number means number of molecule of individual plasmid that present in a single bacterial cell. Each plasmid has a characteristic value that may be low 1 or as many as 50. Generally, for a suitable vector system, plasmid must be present in multiple copy so that the large quantity of recombinant DNA molecule can be obtained. Plasmid are classified mainly on the basis of characteristic coded by plasmid gene. Here are mainly 5 types of plasmids. F plasmid or fertility plasmid, it carry only TRA genes and have no characteristic beyond the ability to promote conjugal transfer. Example of F plasmid or fertility plasmid is F plasmid of E. coli. Second one is R plasmid or resistance plasmid. It carry resistance genes against bacterial agents like chloramphenicol or ampicillin. Example, RP4 plasmid of Pseudomonas. Third is col plasmid, that is colicin plasmid, a protein that kills other bacteria. Example of col plasmid is col E1 plasmid of E. coli. Next is degradative plasmid. It able to host bacterium to metabolize unusual molecules like toluene and salicylic acid. Example, TP4 plasmid of Pseudomonas. Next is virulence plasmid. It confers pathogenicity on host bacterium. Example, TI plasmid of Agrobacterium. It causes crown gall disease in dicot plants. For further detail, visit our website www.gurukpo.com. Thank you and thank you.